What is up, guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I want to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S21 leaks. So at this moment, there's literally no more surprises when it will be announced on January 14, 2021. So thanks to the internet and thanks to all those specs that is been leaking, we're able to see what exactly the phone will be looking like even. So leaks nowadays are so spot on that you know what the phone looked like before it will be coming out. So here are some of the leaks, guys. So it will have a redesigned camera bump that mends into the edges of the phone. Also, it will include a slightly lower 2400 by 1080 screen resolution for both the S21 and the S21 Plus compared to the 3200 by 1440 resolution used by the predecessors. So this equates to a pixel density of 421 ppi for the 6.2-inch S21 and a 394 ppi for the 6.7-inch S21 Plus. So both will offer 120 Hz and 60 Hz refresh rate like their predecessors. So I doubt if Apple has touched 120 Hz as yet. So this is pretty interesting. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna love this phone because when you see 120 Hz, it's gonna look way better than just a 60 Hz or a 90 Hz display. So while I previously provided us with some details about the S21 Ultra camera hardware, this one confirms information about the cameras on the S21 and the S21 Plus. So on paper, the main camera model is a new model, looks to be the same as the one by the S20 and the S20 Plus. This is a 12 megapixel 1/1.776-inch sensor and a f1/1.8 226 millimeter. That's the lens I'm talking about, so it's kind of hard to read, to be honest. And a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 12 megapixel and a 10 megapixel selfie camera appear to be unchanged. So as you guys know by now, the more megapixel doesn't mean a better camera. So you guys might be saying these megapixel are low. I have a phone that have 50 megapixel. My phone is better. No, it will not be better. So more megapixel don't mean a better camera. So you know. So however, the telephoto camera appears to be different. It is actually smaller than the sensor used by the S20 devices, and the resolution and pixel size are the same at 64 megapixel and 0.8 microns respectively. The telephoto camera is optically stable and looks again like a 3x optical zoom thanks to the full optics with a hybrid optical and digital zoom available beyond that. So Samsung also looks to have dropped the time of flight sensor from S20 Plus as it did with the Note 20 Ultra, and it looks as though both models get up to 8K 30 pixels recording. Like, think about it, 8K at 30 frame rate, 30 frames per second, and up to 8K 24 frames per second. Like, imagine how smooth and crispy that would be looking. Outside of camera specs, the S21 looks like it will stick to the 4000 mAh battery capacity. So that's how much hours, and the S21 gets a bigger 4800 mAh battery. So that is pretty much it. Also, the Samsung S21 and the S21 Plus will offer a 8 gigs of RAM and a 128 gigs or 256 gigs of internal storage, and of course two of the models will include 5G modems. Again, the final specs are available and pricing have not been confirmed, but a leak site said the prices will be around 1000 $1,040, and for the S21 and for the S21 Plus it would be around $1,285 for the S21 Plus. So that's basically it, guys. What I read this article from was The Verge. So if you guys saw that I was stumbling across a lot of the words, you guys know. So that's pretty much all of the leak that we know so far. Again, on screen you should be seeing a picture of how the S21 and the S21 Plus will be looking. That is the Samsung Galaxy S21 for 2021. Oh, I see what they did there. So S20 for 2020 and S21 for 2021. So I'm guessing the next one is gonna be S22. So I'm guessing that's why they did the jump, just to match the years. I think that's why. Oh, it all makes sense now, guys. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you reaches for this video, you definitely like my content, so please consider subscribing. But until my next video, guys, that's pretty much it. As again, if you guys reaches far in this video, I definitely like you, and I definitely think you should subscribe to the channel, so make sure you subscribe. But until my next video, guys, that's pretty much it. Also, let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this phone? Do you think this phone will be a flagship phone to compare with the iPhone 12 that is now out, or do you think the iPhone 12 will be way much better? Are you an Android fan or are you a Apple fan? Let me know in the comment section. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.